Hello kids, today we are learn A to Z and color name. So let's start. Yellow color, peach pink color, purple color, black color, dark green color, white color, blue color, sky blue color, brown color, light green color, pink color, orange color, red color. Capital letter alphabet A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yellow color. A for apple. Peach pink color. B for baby. Purple color. C. C for cat. Orange color. D. D for dog. Pink color. E. E for egg. Light green color. F. F for fish. Yellow color. G. G for grapes. Peach pink color. H. H for hen. Purple color. I. I for ice cream. Orange color. J. J for jug. Pink color. K. K for kite. Light green color. L. L for lion. Yellow color. M. M for mango. Peach pink color. N. N for nose. Purple color. O. O for octopus. Orange color. P. P for panda. Pink color. Q. Q for queen. Light green color. R. R for rose. Yellow color. S. S for sunflower. Peach pink color. T. T for tiger. Purple color. U. U for umbrella. Orange color. V. V for fan. Pink color. W. W for watermelon. Light green color. X. X for X-ray. Yellow color. Y. Y for yellow. Peach pink color. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.